Ernesto Rueda heads to class at the South Bronx Job Corps Center. It didn't take him long to see the value of Job Corps.
I think it's a very helpful and free tool for a lot of kids to, find themselves.
That was the case for Ernesto. He earned his high school equivalency and valuable certifications in culinary arts. And that was just the beginning. Through South Bronx Job Corps, Ernesto is now a full-time student at Bronx Community College studying business.
I'm actually the first person to go to college in my family.
It's a huge accomplishment, first-generation college student.
My family is proud of me, especially my mom. She's pushing me all the way through and giving me all the support I need.
And Ernesto says his decision to go to college will have a ripple effect on his family.
It feels good. I feel like I opened more doors for my family and my siblings as well, and to reach high.
After college, his dream is to own his own restaurant.
I'm ready to face the world head on. Thanks, Job Corps.